Hey guys, my name is Coral Jade. Today I'm going to teach you how to do what I like to call the vertical helicopter. We covered our basic helicopter in a previous video, so if you haven't checked that one out yet, go back and have a look as there are a lot of useful tips in that one. For our vertical helicopter, what we need to do is have our hoop right above our head. We're going to give the hoop one full rotation and then grab with the other hand. Another full rotation and grabbing with our opposite hand. So what we need to do is keep the hoop balanced right above our head. Some tips for that is to keep looking at the top of the hoop. Don't look at the bottom of the hoop where your hands are. Always look at the top. You also want to keep your hands nice and relaxed like we do with our regular helicopter. So we don't want our hands stiff and doing turns like this. We want hands nice and loose and nice fluid movements like this. Some drills you can do for balancing is just keeping the hoop balanced on your hand, holding it up like this, looking at the top of the hoop and trying to keep it balanced like that for as long as you can. So if you're looking at the top, you can always counteract it. When the hoop starts falling either way, you fix it with your hand at the bottom. Now we're going to do that above our head while it's spinning, so we're balancing the hoop at the same time. When I'm spinning the hoop above my head, I like to think of my right hand as being my throwing hand, my left hand as being my catching hand. So a lot of the force and momentum comes from my right hand, and I catch with my left hand and kind of correct it. So I'm balancing more with my left hand and throwing more with my right hand to get the speed. You might find it's the other way around for you, and you might not even like to do that at all, but that is what I find works for me. So that is it. That is our vertical helicopter. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you later.